In this video we're going to show you how to use the vacuum leak detector on your new Piranha Smart Slice.
So once you've plugged your scooter in before the dive, you'll want to go ahead and do this as a pre-dive check and give it a few minutes to make sure there's no leaks. So remove the plug from the vacuum quick connect, take your vacuum connector to cork adapter, and you have to hold this in, it doesn't lock in. And as you start pumping, the bottom bar of the display will start ticking up, and it'll keep flashing until you get to the very end when it goes solid and you've reached 5 inches of mercury of vacuum. And then the vacuum adapter will automatically pop out so you don't leak there, and go ahead and reinstall the dummy plug.
So you would leave that for 10 minutes with the scooter out of the water and monitor the bars on the display. If you don't see any drop in the bars in 10 minutes, it's probably fair to say that your scooter is good to go and ready to dive. And after the dive, you will need to release the vacuum prior to opening the scooter.
So to do that, you go ahead and remove the dummy plug. And there's 2 ways you can do it. You can leave the cork on the adapter here and just pull the center of it to the side to release it. Or you can go ahead and pop the cork off the adapter and just hold the adapter in, but just make sure you don't lose that cork. There is a spare that comes with the scooter, so you do have one spare.
You will not be able to open the scooter until the vacuum is all ready.